Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 132. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. No help here. 7, 8, 9. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 9. No help here. 7, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. No help here. 7, 8, 9. No help here. 7, 8, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 7. 5 here, so 7, 9. No help here. 5, 7, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so 5, 7, 2, 9, and 5 here. Means this is our 7, 5. No other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. With that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this column now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. Got an 8 here, so 2, 9. 2 here, so 8, 9. That means the only place our 2 can be in that column is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 3, 7. No help here. 1, 3, 7, 9. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. We can get rid of this 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here and a 5 here. So that means this is our 7. And that 4 and 8 means this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. But that 7 makes this our 9, 7. And that 7 makes this our 3, 9, 1. So now we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. And this 9. And this 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5, 6, and 7 here. So this is our 2. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 7. 5 here, so 6, 7. That means the only place our 6 can be in this box is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 8, 2 here, so 7, 8, and no help here, 2, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8, makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 2. And we can get rid of this 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 9. And I don't see any help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 9, and no help here. 1, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 8. And our 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7, 9, and no help here. 1, 6, 7, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, 8, 9. And I don't see any help, so 4, 7, 8, 9. And for this box, we're missing 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. And I don't see any help, so 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. All right, so now we need to just do some investigating here. Looks like in this box, the only place the 4 can be... Oh, nope, that's not right. Never mind. For this row, the only place the 6 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 6. However, then there is nowhere in this row for the 6 to be. Oh, we've already got a 6 here. So that actually means that the 6 for this box has to be here. And this should be 7, 9. Now, if we look at this column again, the only place the 1 can be is here. That makes this our 9, 4, 1. So we can get rid of this 4. That means the only place the 4 can be in this box is here. The only place in this box our 5 can be is here. That makes this our 7, 5. for this box now. The only place the 9 can be is here. That 9 would make this our 7, 8, 7. 7 makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 7, 8, 7. 9 makes this our 8, 9. And there we go. We made it through. That one was a little bit messy again, huh? Well, there you have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.